Hello, this is Pump's Audit video channel. Very often Pump's users ask themselves whether my pumping system operates effectively. What pumping system should be selected for an energy assessment? In this presentation we are going to consider the most common signs of low efficient pumping system, criteria for selection of pumping system for the energy assessment. It will allow you to look at your pumping system with another look and make you to think about optimization. Here is the list of criteria and signs which can help you to make decision. Most powerful pumps. It is recommended to select pumps with shaft power more than 30 kilowatts, because most powerful pumps can give you maximum energy saving effect. Pumping system which have maximum operating hours. Pumping system with the throttle or bypass control must be considered at first. Pumping system with large flow or pressure variations. Pumping system with extra vibration and noise. Pumping system with multi-pump stations in which neither number of pumps nor their speed do not change in response to changing conditions. Focus on centrifugal pumps operating at a fixed speed. Pumps with low reliability. Lowest MTBF mean time between failures, and with great expenditures on service. Pumping system with a long term of operation. Changed condition, worn out pumps, corroded pipes can be the main reason of low efficient operation. Pumping system with cavitating pumps. Pumping system with jammed wells or leaking wells. Further, we will consider all of these signs in more details. We begin with the most common reason of ineffectiveness of pumping systems. This is the throttle control. Do you apply it? Is the throttling significant? If you answer yes, your pumping system operates inefficient. We will consider the throttle control of pumps in detail in a special presentation. Does flow and pressure vary widely in your pumping system? The most obvious example is the day load profile in a water supply system, where there are night and day maximum and minimum seasonal fluctuations. If yes, that means that your pumping system may operate inefficiently at least at some time periods. Systems with fluctuating load profile require more attention. High vibration and noise always mean that there are problems in your pumping system. The vibration in any part of pumping system means that unstable processes take place. There is the list of most common problems which can cause the noise and vibration in a system. The pump operates beyond the allowable operating range. The throttle control is applied. Cavitation in pumps and in valves. Mechanical problems with pumps, motors, valves. Improper installation of pumps, motor, pipes, and so on. Pumping systems with multi-pump stations in which neither number of pumps nor their speed do not change in response to changing conditions. There can be several reasons. For example, parallel operation of pumps was selected for the system with predominated dynamic losses. The poor algorithm of the control system which is not properly adjusted and does not change the number of operating pumps and their speed in response to changing conditions. We will discuss parallel operation and speed control of pumps in the presentation about pumps control methods. Reliability and efficiency are two factors strongly connected with each other. If some system requires excessive maintenance, very often it means that the pump operates far beyond the operating range, but also means operates ineffectively. More detailed information we will consider in the presentation dedicated to pumps reliability. Pumping systems for which functional requirements have changed over time. There can be a lot of reasons which can cause changing of pumping system requirements. There are only some of them. The technological process has changed. The population has changed and district water system needs less water as it required before. System requirements have changed, but pumps have not been changed and operate inefficiently. And now parameters of pumps do not comply with the pumping system requirements. Very often clogged or corroded pipelines cause excessive restrictions of pipelines and excessive power consumption. So the same situation can be with elements such as heat exchangers, filters, and so on. Regular service and maintenance can provide efficient operation of pumping system. If a pump has worn elements, it means that the pump has lost its efficiency. Reasons that can cause such distortion can be different, for example, presence in the pumped liquid, mechanical parts, sand, and so on. The regular maintenance, selection of right materials resistant to a pumped liquid, or changing system elements, for example, checking or replacement filters, will help to preserve efficiency of a pumping system. Jammed valves or leaking valves also is evidence of inefficient pumping system. Valves cannot be opened or closed and create constant losses in the system. If a valve is not hermetic, liquid can leak to other pipelines. If non-return valve is not hermetic, liquid can flow through other pumps installed in parallel and cause opposite rotation as a turbine. If some of these signs are present, usually it means that pumping system operates inefficiently. And then pump users should start deeper research of their pumping system. Make your pumping system efficient. If you need more information, please visit our website pumpsaudit.com or send me a mail. Thank you very much. See you again.